everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 8th to the 12th of August 2022 on Monday. Evelyn's testimony may be the dreaded nail in Thobagale's coffin. Clement's depression regarding his phone heightens when he realized how much he lost on Tuesday. Principal is confronted by truth that are hard for her to swallow. Pex learns harsh lessons for his actions. Clement despairs as the search for his phone comes to a dead end on Wednesday. Principal finally gets her chance at the hearing. Oritonda surprises Clement with a new gadget. Melitas is contemplative when Nora reminds her of her nemesis on Thursday. Principal tried to extend an olive branch to Evelyn, but she is snapped. Clement's skeleton comes back to haunt him, but that doesn't stop his star from rising. A bitter blast from Maggie's past shows up at TEF Hospital for an interview on Friday. The end of an era befalls High or TEF High to much jubilation and heartbreak. A rising star grows obsession with social media worries his loved ones. TEF Hospital reception post finally gets filled, but not by an obvious candidate. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below.